You're still watching News Desk here on your Journey channel, Multi TV. To some more stories now. Unbonded allied health professionals comprising of medical laboratory officers, technical officers, and other specialized nurses are this morning picketing at the Flagstaff House. The nurses accuse government of refusing to place them even after completing their various programs of study for more than a year. Pascal Kipo Al-Hassan is one of such health professionals.
We are bonded, trained health professionals who are supposed to be absorbed by the government right after our training. But as we speak now, we've gone through all the necessary requirements that are supposed to ensure our postings to various health facilities across the country, but that is not done. We are about 500 in number, and let me be quick to note that we are a special group of health professionals. Of course, it is only in Kintampo, in the Brunhafo region, that our crop of health professionals are trained. Initially, there were issues of getting a license before you practice, which is becoming the norm now. Yeah, so there was the inception of Allied Health Professions Council. And if I'm to explain this, you know, the nurses and midwives are under Nursing and Midwifery Council. So this new council has come for other nursing programs that are not clinical in nature. And that is, we are talking about allied health programs. And that is why I mentioned medical laboratory technologies, disease control. So basically, these programs are public health bias. Unlike the clinical nurses, that is more of clinical. So this council came in and required that we register with them to get a license before work. So that was the excuse initially. So it got to a time that we were to write an exams, and then those who pass were those who were supposed to be given these licenses.
And
of course,
that been done?
We went through the process of writing the exams. It didn't even end there. We got to a point where we have to then pay to be licensed. That's after you have even passed the exams, you have to pay for the license. And that one we have done, we've been pushed extremely hard. We've more or less been pushed to the wall. So we are being compelled to do that because all avenues we've exhausted. And yet we aren't getting postings.
So you'll be picketing?
That's exactly
today?
Why, yes. Starting today, let me make this very clear. We are going to start today picketing until our postings are actually released.
But you know,
so it is going to take from today
throughout
the
you're
entire
satisfied?
week. Yes. So it's not going to be a one-day picketing.
So we're going to start today. It's already drizzling or raining outside.
Either rain or shine, and yes, we are going to be there.
Now, before we go, some residents of Temanu Town in the Greater Accra region are resorting to open defecation over what they say are high toilet fees being charged by of public toilets in the area. The managers of the facility have adjusted the fees upwards from 30 pesos to 50 pesos per person per use. Some opinion leaders in the community, however, say their checks reveal the fees have not been approved by the Tema Metropolitan Assembly. I'll be bringing you details of this story when I join you a little while later with Joy News today at 12 o'clock. But time now for me to say bye-bye on News Desk. Remember, there's a lot more news when you visit www.myjoyonline.com. Up next is Joy News Interactive with Benis Abubedu. Many thanks for your company.